Yesterday we have solved two questions. Now which question you want to solve?
Question number 8.
Question number 8. Okay. 5 and 8. Okay. First we see the fifth question and then 8. No problem. Fifth question. The fifth question. Question number 5. Line L is the bisector of an angle A and B is any point on A. Look here. Line L is the bisector of angle A. This is angle A. Okay? This is angle A. And B is L is the angle bisector of angle A and B is any point on A. B is any point. Okay? Then BP and BQ are perpendicular from B to the arms of angle A. BP and BQ are perpendicular. This is the perpendicular and BQ. These are the perpendiculars. Okay? Show that. Now we have to show what is given. Given L is angle bisector of angle A. It means these two are equal. Let it give the name angle 1, angle 2. Okay? Angle 1, angle 2 are equal. That is angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Another thing, BP perpendicular AP and BQ perpendicular AP. These are perpendicular. Okay? And now we have to show number 1. Triangle APB congruent triangle AQB. Number 1. And second is PP is equal to BQ. These two things we have to prove. Okay? That is B is equidistant from arms of angle A. Okay? Now look here. How we prove it? To prove this, we have to prove this angle APB congruent to angle AQB. So prove. The proof is in triangle APB and triangle AQB. Okay? Now, when you observe this two triangles, what you observe?
Sir, two angles are equal.
Look here. Angle BP A is 90 degree. Angle BQA is 90 degree. Angle BPA is 90 degree and BQA is, both are equal. Look here. Angle BPA is equal to angle BQA. Now see the corresponding parts. The corresponding point of P is B. The corresponding point of C is Q. So angle BPA is equal to angle BQA. It is given. is 90 degree. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Now, second thing, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why? L is angle bisector. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle bisector. Okay? Now, L is angle bisector. You can write here L is angle bisector. Now, third thing, AB is equal to AB. This is the line L. AB is equal to AB, both are common. So AB is equal to AB, common side. Now you see that angle, side, angle, side congruency. These two triangles are congruent. So triangle APB, congruent triangle AQP by angle, side rule. Clear? Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Now, second part. Has proved first part. Now the second part, we have to prove that BP is equal to BQ. If the triangles are congruent, means their corresponding parts are equal. So BP, what is the corresponding side of BP? Corresponding side of BP is BQ. BP. So BP is equal to BQ by CP. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Hence proved part number 2. So in this way we can prove this one. Okay. The next one is 8th. You want to solve 8th question. First you note it down.
Yes, sir. We know it.
Now in question number 8, what is given? We have given that in triangle ABC, angle C is right angle. Angle C is right angle. And AM is the midpoint of AB. AM is the midpoint of AB. Midpoint means AM is equal to BM. Midpoint means AM is equal to BM. It is already given. And CM is produced. CM is produced up to D such that CM is equal to DA. CM is equal to DA. And now we have to prove number 1, triangle AMC congruent triangle BMD. Second thing, angle DBC is a right angle, means angle DBC is equal to 90 degree. Third thing, triangle DBC congruent triangle ACB. And the last, CM is equal to half of AB. Look here how we prove it. Number 1, triangle AMC congruent triangle BMD. Means these are the triangles. Now you see these two triangles. In triangle AMC and triangle BMC. Look here, beta. देखो
Sir.
AM the midpoint of AB. Means AM is equal to BA. Okay, it is given. Now you look here. These two angles, they are vertically opposite. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Vertically opposite angle. Okay? Then the third thing. BA is equal to CA. It is already given. CA is equal to CA. It is given. So what you observe? Side angle side. So by side angle side rule, these two triangles are congruent. So triangle A and C, congruent triangle B and C by SAS rule. Okay, now second thing we have to prove that angle BBC is 90 degree. Now you see that these two triangles are congruent. These two triangles are, it means this angle and this angle are equal. So let it give number 3 and 4. So angle 4, this is angle 4 is equal to angle 3. This is has proved first part. Angle 4 is equal to angle 3 by CPCT. But these two are alternate interior angle. But angle 3 and angle 4 are alternate interior angle. Okay? Therefore, AC parallel to DB. Therefore, AC parallel to DB. When AC parallel to DB, BC is also a transversal. Now, AC parallel to DB and BC is transversal. Therefore, angle DBC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle DBC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. Co-interior angle, sum of co-interior angle. Okay, now it is 90 degree. This is given 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
So angle DBC plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle DBC is equal to 180 minus 90 degree, which is equal to
90 degree.
angle DBC is equal to 90 degree. Okay? And prove second part. Now we have to prove third part. Now we will prove the third part. The third part we have to prove triangle DBC congruent triangle ACB. Now in triangle DBC and ACB. Now which things you find that, look here, let go. ABC triangle ACB and DBC. Which things are equal? Angle C is equal to angle
B.
B. And one more thing is there. By simplicity, angle 4 is equal to angle 3.
Yes, sir.
And AC is equal to
DB.
DB. Okay? AC is equal to DB. This will be used here to prove the third thing. Number by look here, in triangle DBC and give silence. In triangle DBC and ACB, look here, DB is equal to AC. It is proved. But look here, it is proved.
Yes, sir.
Then DBC is equal to 90 degree is equal to ACB. Angle DBC is equal to angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. And third thing, BC is equal to CB. BC is equal to CB. It is common. It is common. Therefore, by side angle side congruency rule, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, triangle DBC congruent triangle ACB by SAS rule. By SAS rule has proved third part. Now the fourth part is
CM equal to half.
CM is equal to half AB. Now look here, these two triangles are congruent.
Yes, sir.
These two triangles are congruent, therefore, 1 minute beta. First we finish it, then, okay? Now look here. Listen. Look here. 1 minute. These two are congruent. It means CD is equal to AB. CD is equal to CA by CPCD. Okay?
Yes, sir. BCD.
Now CD and BA are equal. What we have to prove?
By simplicity,
CM is equal to half AB. CD means CM plus MD is equal to AB. CM plus MD means both are equal. CM plus CM is equal to AB. So twice CM is equal to AB. Therefore, CM is equal to 1 by 2 AB. Hence proof number 4. You can write here since CM is equal to DA. Okay? In this way you can complete it. It is proved. Okay? Now tomorrow we will do the next exercise.